5 basic tips on how to learn the Spanish language. Immerse yourself in the culture, dive deep into the Spanish-speaking world. Whether it's watching Spanish films, listening to Latin music, or enjoying Spanish literature, surrounding yourself with the culture will not only help you understand the language, but also the nuances and emotions behind the words. Enjoy the Spanish movie and song. Start with the basics. Begin your journey with the essentials. Learn common phrases, greetings, and everyday vocabulary. Familiarize yourself with the Spanish alphabet and pronunciation. Building a strong foundation will pave the way for more complex conversations in the future. Write your learning plan. Practice speaking out loud. Language is a living entity, meant to be spoken and heard. Regularly practice speaking Spanish, even if it's just to yourself. Better yet, find a language exchange partner or join a Spanish-speaking group. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Watch more public speakers' videos. Keep your language simple. Make it personal. Use technology to your advantage. There's a plethora of apps, online courses, and resources available at your fingertips. Platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone can be invaluable tools in your learning journey. Additionally, watching Spanish YouTube channels or listening to Spanish podcasts can be both entertaining and educational. Watching Spanish YouTube channels shall. Listening to the Spanish podcasts. Listening to the Spanish news. Consistency is key. Like any skill, learning a new language requires dedication and regular practice. Set aside a specific time each day to study Spanish. Even just 10 minutes daily can make a significant difference over time. Remember, it's not about how fast you learn, but how well you retain and use the language. Bonus tips: travel. If you have the opportunity, visit a Spanish-speaking country. There's no better way to learn than by immersing yourself completely. SkillUp offers a demanding online education, granting worldwide recognized industry skills. Join SkillUp now.